Welcome all, my dear friends. Please take a look at the beautiful bird in this picture. Here, the beautiful Vibhor bird is taking rest for a while and preparing himself to explore the whole blue sky. Okay, so we know that it is the tendency of a living being whenever it learns something, it tries to express that. Okay, and here also the bird tries to express himself. It tries to show his learned skills to fly in the whole sky. Okay, that means he is preparing himself to publish. Okay, so with this beautiful thought, let us continue our journey in the world of IPR by picking a rule of the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. And later you will find why I have shown this picture and why I have said this beautiful thought of publishing oneself. Okay friends, let us continue. Again, an old slide from my first lecture, and here it is shown just to refresh our memory. Okay, so here we can see the particular form, particular section and a rule. Okay, so here actually till now we have discussed up to form number 8, and that's why today is the turn for form number 9. Okay, so let us see. Form number 9 is request for publication. Okay, the relevant section is section 11A, whose title is publication of applications, and the relevant rule is rule 24A, whose title is request for publication. So here you can see the keyword for the particular form, the particular rule and the particular section. Fine. So we can very easily establish the relationship between these three, and we will discuss the relevant sections and rules in detail in an individual way. Okay friends, so let us proceed. So today we have taken the relevant rule, that is rule 24A, whose title is request for publication. Okay, and this rule comes from chapter 4, that is publication and examination of applications. Fine, so let us proceed. The rule 24A, that is request for publication, it has a keyword because this rule has no sub rules. Okay, so this is a single statement, that means rule 24A depicts only a single statement, and let us find out the keyword here. Okay, so the keyword here is request. So just remember the keyword request for rule 24A. Okay. Rule 24A in detail. Okay, so let us see. A request for publication under subsection 2 of section 11A shall be made in form 9. That's all friends. There will be a request. Okay, that means the request has to be made by form 9 as per subsection 2 of 11A. That's all. That's why the single statement, a request for publication under section 11A subsection 2 via form 9. That's all. Okay, so what is form 9? Form 9 is about, we can say form 9 is request for publication and section 11A is publication of applications. Fine. So what is subsection 2 of section 11A? For that, to go into more details, please turn over. Please turn over. Okay, so let us proceed. Subsection 2 of section 11A. Okay, subsection 2 says the applicant may, in the prescribed manner, request the controller to publish his application at any time before the expiry of the period prescribed under subsection 1 and subject to the provisions of subsection 3, the controller shall publish such application as soon as possible. Okay. So, and it is already described, it is already explained in a very detailed manner when I was discussing about section 11a. Okay, so no need to explain more. Just remember this thing, that for early publication request under rule 24a, the application will normally be published within 1 month from the day of request. Fine. So the relevant rule is rule 24a, request for publication, that we are discussing in this session, in this lecture, and form number 9, that is request for publication. Okay. So you can find out the title of form number 9, okay, and rule 24a. Both are same. Both are same to same. Word by word, letter by letter. Okay. Request for publication. That's all. Fine. So in this way, friends, rule 24a is completed. Fine. The reference is the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. So dear friends, thank you all for listening to me and watching my video. So please write down your queries, your compliments and comments in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. And yeah, please keep interacting and keep learning. Stay safe, stay blessed. Jai Hind.